Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday. Sunday is a very chill day for me. It is really when I think of my day of rest, Sunday really has become my day of rest where I really refocus and get my mind ready for the week ahead because I work a regular 9 to 5 and I work from home. However, I've found that since I've been working from home, I have struggled a little bit more with just keeping to a schedule and doing things that spark joy. So I use Sundays as my day for doing things that spark joy, which usually entail me sleeping, watching my favorite shows, laying in bed a little bit later, even though I don't like waking up too late. So most mornings I'll wake up about 7:30 or something, but I will wake up but I'll still lounge, or I will do an errand or two that make me happy. And then also, I mean, Saturday I usually get around to doing stuff as well, but Sundays is really a me day. And Hakeem is the same way as well. He really uses a Sunday to kind of just, you know. So for this Sunday, I decided I wanted to, apart from editing my vlog, which I will have a new vlog up today. Well, today will be today, which date is today? Today is November 17. So I try to upload on Sundays, but I decided to halt that a little bit because it's not going to be too long of a vlog. It would already be up by the time this video goes up, so it's going to be the vlog about our trip or little visit to Pretty Close, which is a waterfalls experience. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it right here so you can click it and you can go and watch that video. But that was in celebration of our anniversary, or boyfriend girlfriend anniversary, which was on November 4. So we went and we did that, and that was really fun. But yeah, so for today I took a break with editing that vlog, and I decided that I'm going to run on the road and get a couple of things. So first on my list, I want to get I have a little list written down. I need to get some more paint, which is the first thing. So the color that we use for the doors is tricorn black. So I really like that particular black color. Got a low sheen finish, so it's really nice on the doors. Anyway, next I want to get some braiding hair. I currently have my hair out. I washed it. I want to get some braiding hair so that I can braid my hair. I prefer myself in braids, and also my relaxed hair is kind of overstimulating me these past few days. I don't like to see it. I don't like to touch it. I think it's so fine and stringy, and I haven't been caring it. I've just been slicking it back for the past couple of days since I've taken out my braids. But I'm putting braids back in because I feel my best self in braids, and I am going to big chop, guys. I literally am going to big chop. I am over the relaxed life. I just want to be free. I've been trying to embrace a more natural lifestyle with my life. I don't have on any acrylics. I don't have on any makeup. I have been embracing a very natural, more holistic type of lifestyle, which is just better for my mind and how I feel, how I remember. I mean, natural hair, I'm not a hair coma, so that's gonna be something I need to figure out. But for like right now, I feel like, especially since Hakeem has been on his hair journey, I feel like he's inspiring me here. So stay tuned for that big chop, guys. I want to get some batteries. I realize we don't have enough batteries. We usually use rechargeable batteries in the home. I want to go and get some picture frames. The picture frames, we have 2 pictures that need to be framed. We've had them for months. I'll show you guys that, so I need to get that framed. And then also, I feel like I want to go to PriceSmart just to walk around and see what they have. I love going to PriceSmart, and that's just something I want to do, and just see what they have. Maybe I can grab something. I did see a couple frames there, but I feel like the frames that I want are at H&L in Halfway Tree. Lastly, I think I want to get some plants. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to leave that for last. I'm going to see how I feel after I spend all the money I'm going to spend, and see if I can get some plants. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my morning. Well, it's going to be afternoon now because it's almost 12 o'clock. So I am heading out now, but first things first, I have to get Starbucks. I'm a matcha girly, so I'm going to go and get some an iced matcha latte. I'm going to go to Starbucks now, get my matcha, and then I'll check back in with you guys. I'm going to try and vlog as much as I can outside. Hopefully people don't stare at me, but so it goes sometimes. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a few. Baby.
all my life. Without a plane.
Alright, so I got my drink. This is the iced matcha latte. This is the drink I usually get. So I tried with just 1 pump of vanilla syrup and I added some cinnamon powder. Off I go now. So I think I'm gonna head to halfway tree now. I'm gonna head to halfway tree now. Yes, this is the one. This is the frame that I wanted from before. I usually prefer to get king because I like a fluffy bed, but I think I'm gonna work with the queen. Guys, I spent way too long in that store because I ended up getting a couple things that I really wanted to get. So I got 2 duvet comforters for the bed because I'm trying to change out the color scheme that we have for like our bedspreads and stuff. So I just needed duvets because I find that duvets are so much easier for me, especially when like making the bed and stuff in the mornings. All I have to do is just bring the duvet cover over the bed. Oh, I got a stand for our plants, a planter box that we have on our balcony. And then I also got 2 picture frames. So that's what those are the things I got. All right, so now I'm trying to find the hair store. The hair store I usually go to isn't open today. I think I'm very confused as to the direction. I don't know the name of the hair store I usually go to, but I'm trying to find Discount Beauty Supplies in Halfway Tree. I'm trying to use Google Maps to help me find it. So it says it's 5 minutes away from here. Let me see. Oh, but I will find it. And I'm gonna get the hair, and then I think I need to go up to, because I tried to get the paint here, but I need to get Berger paint, but the Berger paint mixer is down here. It's down, as in the machine is down that they used to make. It's a mixed paint that I got. So I am gonna go back to Super Valley. I was trying to just kill 2 birds or 4 birds with 1 stone here, but it not work out for me. So I'm gonna have to go to my original spot where I got the paint originally. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the hair first and then make my way up to Super Value because I think the hair store closes earlier than Super Value. All right guys, I would have never found it, but Discount Beauty Supplies is where Brand Studios is, and then this is the sign. So yeah, so oh, 1B. So guys, I got the hair. I got the hair. I got 2B, and I got 2B, which is like black brown basic, and then I got this color to blend in because I'm thinking I want to do like a little red moment. I should take this time though to share, if you guys are driving, just a general precaution safety measure, always lock your doors. A while ago I was driving, I was so like, I've calmed down a little bit. I had to call Hakeem because I didn't, you know, frozen in fear, but I was stopped at a stoplight. And in Jamaica, especially in Kingston, there are these men that will wash, like they will want to wash your windows. And but this wasn't like a properly dress. Like usually them have on clothes and them look like them have home to go afterward at least. This man was a homeless person. Looked like he was not of sound mind. And he didn't have on a shirt, very unkempt, so obviously he's been living on the street. The man Literally, he's like, him come up, but he didn't look like he came up to wash my windows. But me said no, because most times I don't know the soap solution that they have. Thankfully, our car, I always lock my car door, but this car in particular locks automatically once you drive off. The man, after me tell him no, the man proceeded to try and open up my door, my passenger side door. Like, open up, you know. And the one me so shocked is like me a tap forward if you try to shake the car a little bit to make him know say me, you know. But then I could only go so far because I was at a stoplight and there was a car, 2 cars ahead of me. And I usually, when I stop, I always have a rule of I need to be able to see the back wheel of the car in front of me. So I had space in front, but not enough space, because after I done jugu forward, the man, like, there was no more space to go. The man kept trying to open my door. He tried 3 times, and it's like him a point and I open up the door like a theme car. The way home is shook. I was so like, just lock your doors. People are crazy. People are... But anyway, so the last stop I have for right now is to go and get the paint. I'm gonna go get the paint and then I'm gonna take my booty home, because it's now 1:43. I think I'm making good time. For this afternoon, I want to make dinner. I promised Haki. Well, Haki was saying he wanted chicken because we did buy a rotisserie chicken. But I'm not feeling for chicken. And we have these turkey sausages that you can kind of crumble and make it be like turkey mince. I generally don't eat turkey a lot, but I feel for it, and it's been in the freezer for a while, and I want to just get rid of it. And I think it would be really nice if I saute it up with some sweet pepper and red onion and some pepper and some, you know, a little paprika, and make like a little turkey mince, you know, just a turkey mince vibe with some white rice. And if we have any plantain at home, we can probably, you know, I'll just make it up nice. So I got the paint. This is the one I get Sherwin-Williams. So it actually wasn't Virgil, it was Sherwin-Williams. But anyway, good thing I came back here because they had my name on file and they could just mix back the same color without me having to ask. So now I'm just walking the aisles and then I'm gonna see if I need anything else. If not, I just head home.